fainting, nausea, skin discoloration, the effects of airborne toxins on healthcare workers at the Cornwall Regional Hospital since 2016, and the symptoms are getting worse. They are again calling on the government to do more to help them get out of the facility. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has details in this report.
Airborne pollutants still affecting staff at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James, and the effects are worsening. One medical doctor told TVJ News that a doctor collapsed while doing an operation at the facility recently. Another doctor from Cuba had to be flown back home. Nurses too continue to experience symptoms such as fainting, nausea, and skin discoloration. Nurse Natalie Hilton-Levy represents her colleagues through the Nurses Association of Jamaica.
Those that were affected earlier are coming down with severe conditions that we just cannot explain. Severe pain, joint pain. You have the hair falling out. Well, I know of a nurse. She was so dehydrated, she had to get intravenous fluid. Her skin turned from her natural color to dark. She was a brown person. These things are staying with you and they're not going away despite the treatment that they're giving you.
As a result, she explained, several nurses have asked to be transferred from the Cornwall Regional Hospital or have resigned.
Because they're genuinely scared as to what is the long-term effect, and we don't think that we are getting all the information. We don't think that they're being honest with us because we're having these symptoms and they are treating them as things that can be brushed aside.
Miss Hilton herself had to get a medical report preventing her from entering the building. In the meantime, lecturer in toxicology and former president of the Medical Association of Jamaica, Dr. Alverston Bailey, said all affected persons need to be removed from the hospital.
The new hospital needs to be built as soon as possible. That to me is the only solution to the problem.
In the meantime, Dr. Bailey is calling on the government to release all results of air quality tests done at the Cornwall Regional Hospital so a proper risk analysis can be done.
I'm worried about the type and dosage of exposure of toxicant at the hospital. They should ask the ministry to provide them with the industrial hygiene reports so that they can determine the nature of the toxicants to which they have been exposed and the possible adverse health effects.
Efforts to reach Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton and the Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Mackenzie were unsuccessful. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.